Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to share the collections from our Perplexity AI account. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to share the collections. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to library. At the left section of the screen, just below Discover, you will see a button like this called Library. Click on it and then you will be redirected to this page. From here, as you can see the thread section and the collection section. For now, we're only gonna focus on the collection section. I'm simply gonna click on this collection available here right now. Then as you can see, this is the page. From here, you can see the collection page. You can start a new thread right from here and the threads that are available. Right now, let's say I want to share it. At the top right, you can see the share button. Click on it. And from there, as soon as you guys click on it, the link will be copied. In case the link is not copied, click on this button that says copy link. And guys, that's it. Now all you guys need to do is share the link with your friend. I'm gonna paste the link right here and hit on enter. And guys, that is it. As you can see, this is how we share collections in Perplexity AI. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.